Got a car engine giving you trouble? Let's see if the SCUARI O2 sensor spacer can save the day. Struggling with O2 sensors? We've all been there. Now let's see if the SCUARI O2 sensor spacer is the DIY hero we've all been waiting for. First up, let's unbox this bad boy. Here's the storage box, tools, and package contents. Seems like SCUARI thought of everything. Check out that logo, made by SCUARI, so you know it's built to last. Now, let's dive into the key features. This side-cut design is a game changer for reaching those tight spots. And look at the thread comb. Cleaning a sensor has never been this easy. Plus, that anti-rust coating, say goodbye to corrosion worries. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, it definitely saves time and is super durable, but it does have limited socket sizes. So, not a one-size-fits-all solution. Thinking about grabbing one? You can get yours on Amazon. Don't forget to check out UHuuD.com for more cool DIY tips and reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time.